Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Lunar Client. Now it's pretty easy, nice, quick, snappy setup. So you just type in Lunar Client download, something like that, like anything like Lunar Client or Lunar Client download or whatever. And make sure you click the link that says lunarclient.com, so don't click like ccm.net or any of these because they're more than likely viruses. So make sure it says lunarclient.com. Now this is completely safe, obviously, like millions of people use it. So if you want to use Mac OS, you click download for Apple or Intel cores. Linux you download here, and Windows you download here. So we're going to be clicking the Windows one. Now when it comes up here, I'll just exit this just so I can show you guys. So when you click this here, it'll say like, oh, agree and then install and stuff, but since I already have it installed, it's not going to install again. So we're just going to go here and search up Lunar Client, and you just want to open Lunar Client here, and we don't need two of these open, so we'll just exit one. And then when you open this, you'll come up like with all these versions. When you click play, when you open it, I can't remember what it was, but when you open it, you might have to like download something first. It'll pop up, it'll be pretty simple, and then whatever version you want to play, it'll have to like download that part of the game. So if I click launch here, if it's your first time like launching it, it'll have to like download the game, but that's only a first time thing, you won't have to do that again. So then when you press launch, I click launch on 1.8, it'll launch up, and on the latest version of 1.8, just before 1.9, and then it'll come up to here. Now when you get into this stage, you will have to log into your Mojang account, because obviously they're not just going to give you a free account for Minecraft. So I'm logged in as my Minecraft account here. You will have to click the little person up here and log into your Mojang account, but apart from that, then you can just go into Hypixel, and I'll just go into full screen here. Oh, did not mean to do that. And then you get all like the mods and stuff like FPS, CPS, all these visuals and stuff, and yeah. And that's it really. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If there's anything else you want to know, please comment down below. I will make a video on it if you want me to. And yeah, so please make sure you subscribe, leave a like if you did enjoy this video, and if this video did help you out, it would really appreciate it. It would really help me out. And yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye.